Question 16. 1 gram of a sample containing NaCl, NaBr and an inert material with excess of AgNO3 produces 0.526 gram of precipitate of AgCl and AgBr. By heating this precipitate in a current of chlorine, AgBr converted to AgCl and the precipitate then weighed 0.426 gram. Find the percentage of NaCl and NaBr in the sample. The reaction is NaCl plus NaBr plus inert material. Now, let us assume the weight of NaCl be x grams and weight of NaBr be y grams. Therefore, moles of NaCl will be x divided by molecular weight of NaCl, that is 58.5 gram, and moles of NaBr will be y divided by molecular weight of NaBr, that is 103 grams. Now NaCl and NaBr both, they are made to react with AgNO3, and the product formed is AgCl plus AgBr. Now, applying principle of atom conservation on chlorine atom, moles of NaCl will be equal to moles of AgCl, that is x divided by 58.5 moles, and moles of AgBr, applying principle of atom conservation on bromine atoms, the moles of AgBr will be equal to moles of NaBr, that is y divided by 103 moles. Now, weight of AgCl produced will be equal to moles of AgCl multiplied by molecular weight of AgCl, that is 143.5 gram, and weight of AgBr produced will be equal to moles of AgBr, that is y divided by 103 multiplied by molecular weight of AgBr, that is 188 gram. Now, it is given that the weight of sum of the weight of AgCl and AgBr is equal to 0.526 gram. Therefore, we can write x divided by 58.5 into 143.5 plus y divided by 103 into 188 is equal to 0.526 gram. Now, in the next step, silver bromide is made to react with excess of chlorine gas. AgBr reacts with chlorine to form AgCl. Applying principle of atom conservation on silver atoms, we can say that moles of AgBr is equal to moles of AgCl, which is equal to y divided by 103 moles, and multiplying this by the molecular weight of AgCl, that is 143.5, we get the weight of AgCl which is formed. Now, it is given that finally the total weight of AgCl which is present, total weight of AgCl after the completion of the reaction is equal to x divided by 58.5 multiplied by 143 0.5 plus y divided by 103 multiplied by 143.5 gram. So we get two equations. Now subtracting the total weight of AgCl is given as this is equal to, it is given in the question as 0.426 gram. Now we have got two equations. The first equation is x divided by 58.5 multiplied by 143.5 plus y divided by 103 multiplied by 188 is equal to 0.526 gram, and x divided by 58.5 into 143.5 plus y divided by 103 into 143.5 is equal to 0.426 gram. Now solving these two equations or subtracting equation 2 from equation 1 and solving, we get the value of x as 0.042 and value of y as 0.23. Now x is the weight of NaCl, therefore percentage of NaCl will be weight of NaCl, that is 0.042, divided by total weight, that is 1 gram, into 100. This is equal to 4.2%. And y is the weight of NaBr, therefore percentage of NaBr will be equal to weight of NaBr, that is 0.23 grams, divided by total weight, that is 1 gram, into 100, and this is equal to 23%.